Anyway, girl, cock it up, girl. Back it up, girl. Fling it up, girl. Give me the. Cock it up, girl. Back it up, girl. Fling it up, girl. Give me.
Voici la famille Plantegenêt Pérez réunie pour la hache. La hache.
Estaban durmiendo en mi tronco.
Welcome to the hash. Oh, what's that guy? Photograph.
Hashers! Have you all signed in? Have you not? If you haven't signed in, please go and do so immediately. Everybody coming from the cars, have you signed in? I believe we'll thank him now. Yes. And it'll be a down later. The food today is put on by Troy. Thanks very much to Troy for putting the food on. Troy is aiming to enter the Ironman triathlon in Miami. And so all the money that he raises today is going to that trip that he's going on to represent Grenada. Curry Coolhash, the news, Curry Coolhash. Remind you that it's on the 29th of September. Please make sure you get booked up. We will have news of the prices for travel and of accommodation by the end of the week. Look out for that on the internet. There is a special section, and thanks Monica for doing that. Anybody else, new shoes?
Shoes. Special price on new shoes. Anybody wear new shoes? Special price.
So new, there's no tread on the bottom.
Alright, fine.
We'll still christen them anyway. You won't get much in mine because it's got more.
Just give me the beer.
No.
Good try.
And let's have a...
The shoes are waterproof.
Down.
Yeah. No, the shoes are waterproof.
Come on, everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Down.
That's fine.
Well done. All virgins today. Hash virgins. The idea of hashing is that we follow blobs of white shredded paper. Alright? They're placed around about 30 feet apart. You follow the blobs of white shredded paper, you will end up back here. The reward to wait for you, food and drink to purchase. Also you will have a certificate. And you'll be able to take it, sign it, frame it, and place it on your bathroom wall close to the seat to remind you of this shitty experience that you're about to go. 4 trails today: the Nambi-Pambi, short walkers, long walkers, and the runners trail. There is an optional Ironman section to start with. Okay, to start with. He has changed it round. Since the details went out, he's changed it round. He's given me good reason. I've accepted them for now. If they come back and you don't accept them, it's not my fault, it's his. This involves going down a series of waterfalls. Please note they are not easy. It will involve jumping down the falls, the tallest of which is about 6 feet, and the depth of water you'll be jumping into is about 6 feet. He did tell me that one is bigger than 6, deeper than 6 feet. Alright? Through there! The best of luck! Woo!
Están comprando el agua. Vamos a ir un rato con nosotros hasta un cierto punto, ¿no?
The roaches are burning. On va rester avec les Français.
Allez Sébastien, tu tiens bien maman, hein, d'accord? Allez, on.
Tout à l'heure.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Okay, we go to the waterfalls.
Good. Nice.
On va se mouiller de toute façon, hein. Everybody is going to be wet. Faut attendre. Vas-y, va là-bas. Va te voir. Allez. Est-ce qu'il est là? Et alors?
Oh, cremaster. Lad, are you cremaster?
So, Granddad, how are you? Là on nage.
Voilà, là on nage.
On a pied. Je sais pas pour combien de temps, mais bon. Okay, great fun today. Really great fun. Alors les enfants, ça va?
Ah, bah tu m'as retrouvé. Ah, c'est bien, j'étais en train d'aider une madame là-bas avec une canne.
Ouais.
Ah, c'était cool quand on fait de la cascade et tout, et là derrière.
Ouais, hein, c'est bien. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Une quoi? Ah. Alors, vous êtes un peu mouillé?
Un peu, ouais. Ah, si tu veux voir si c'est quoi un peu, c'est... Ouais, un peu. Un peu.
Ah.
Merci.
Alors faites attention aux serpents.
Oui, vous tous tombez vos
We are in the middle of the jungle. We are loose. I know here we have shred of paper, so we are not loose. No, there's a road over here. There's a road.
Exactly, the road is there. El río con Sebastián cargado.
¿Cuál río? ¿Ahorita?
Todo esto, yo vengo
Ah.
todo esto caminando.
Ya. Sebastián, ¿cómo estás? Sebastián. Wow. Mamá es una campeona. Sebastián. Para ver.
Ven,
¿Sabes por acá?
por aquí mi vida, ven. Seba, por aquí. Está indeciso, está así.
Pero,
Dale, no pasa nada, dale, ven.
pero la cosa va por allá.
No, pero es por aquí no. También, hay dos caminos, ven.
Wow. Wow. Big one. Big mushroom. Attention, Sebastián.
Oh my god.
T'as tout bu?
Yeah.
Wow. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Jungle.
Sebastián is too small for her.
Está muy chiquitica. Alguien, ouch.
¿Qué?
No pinche. Es parchita, pero ya no es. Passion fruit.
Some passion fruits here. Over here, there's a passion fruit. Oh, okay.
Wow, this is the one.
Okay. You have it? Hop, hop. Right, quickly. Is that all right? That's fine.
That's a nice one.
Yes, yes, Sebastián. Whoa, Sebastián is gone.
Adventure time.
He's not trying.
Ah, you're videoing the whole thing.
Yeah, not the whole thing, but some.
Oh my god! Oh, thank you, God!
There's a arrows over there, yeah!
Run, run, run!
Are you crazy? Más grande. Caminito más grande. Here you can see some nutmegs.
Cacao in the
And-
right.
Cacao, orange.
No.
No, what's that? Avocado. Okay, allez, bye bye. Walkers, bye bye. Runners over here. Allez, come on. Workers, runners. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you.
We almost made only 4 kilometers. We are on the runner trail. And, we are on the bush. Ready? You try.
This way.
Okay. We are on the cocoa or cacao plantation. Here, I suppose that's the Mount Saint Catherine or a volcano, I don't know. We are in the middle of the island. Here, with my son Alain.
Yeah.
My photocopy.
Hey, Jerry for my white shoes.
Allez, vas-y. Ok, allez, viens, on y va. So, Alain, how are your experience with the hash?
No.
It's a good experience?
Yeah.
You enjoy?
Yes.
Okay. Here, your hash house. Wow. Look at. Okay, we are going to the finish. Hey, Anna, you can go. J'ai glissé.